Hi all, welcome back to my channel pyspark. So in this video, we're going to discuss the last question, which was asked in the first round of the Nagarro data engineer interview. So this was a third question, and it is very easy question, I would say. So let us, without wasting much time, let us just go to the question. And after this question, I will be discussing the second round, how how it went and what kind of question you might accept in the second round to clear the interview, and then there will be the HR and the final round. So mainly the two rounds are a technical round. Okay, so let us discuss this question. Calculate the average price for each medication category. Then these are the two data frames. This medication and with medication ID, medication name, category ID, medication prices, medication ID, and price. Okay, then this is nothing but the creation of data frame. So you can see I have imported this average function because we are tasked to find the average price, right? So medication data, and this is the medication data, this is the medication price, and here I am creating a data frame out of it. Okay, so let me run this code. Already I have ran. Now I have solved this question both in the SQL way and as well as the PySpark way, as the interviewer told me to solve the question in both the ways. So let me solve the question in both the ways. And sorry to my friend. Then medication div dot create or replace temp view, that is medication price cf create or replace temp view medication prices. We are registering it, and then spark.sql, then we are providing a SQL query. The SQL query is select category ID, which was on the basis, this is a group by column, right? Then average mpr dot price from medication, join medication price alias it as mpr on mpr dot medication id is equal to medication id, then group by medication dot category id dot show. I've already ran this query. There's nothing much fancy here. It's very easy SQL query. You can see the category ID and average price, and same we are doing in the PySpark way. You have to first do the join or create a frames, provide the primary key, then average price by category, join df dot group by category ID, aggregate average price, utilize average price category dot show. Same thing, nothing much fancy here. Okay. Now, this is the question. You can see the results are same. You can solve this question in any way that you like. Now, these are the question for the first round. All the previous two videos which I have uploaded, I will be providing the link in my description. You can check them out. And also, in the second round, what kind of question my friend got, I will tell you this. This was like, first question was explain the project, right? Explain the project which you are working. This is the very important question if you're going to give any MNC interviews or any interviews, right? Explain the project, as in like what all things you want, right? That will be from like end to end, like source to target, end to end flow of the project, end to end flow of the project, right? End to end flow of the project, and what are okay. And the questions are like, what are the errors you have faced? What are the problems have you faced in the project? Problems you face in project. If you're working in a PySpark project or a big data project, then you might have faced like out of memory exceptions, right? Out of memory exceptions you should have faced, right? Then there can be some permission error also that you have faced, right? Permission errors. Then you can also face like errors such as like table does not exist, on many errors you can face, right? Table not exist, or uh, like many errors can be faced like on the basis of scenarios and the queries you run. Then there might be out of memory, and compute process suddenly goes down, and all the things can be error. Then code fatal errors might be there. Mostly you will be getting like out of memory exception. Then performance tuning. What are the performance tuning strategies? Performance tuning strategies. Yeah. Performance tuning strategies that you have done to implemented in the project. Okay. And then these three questions that he got, and one more question he said me, like uh, what are this was a SQL question. What are different type of joins? What are different type of joins? Okay, and explain natural join. right? Generally, we say like a left join, outer join, full outer join, the next very natural join. This was one of question. So this type of question you can accept in an interview if you are going to give interview for Nagarro. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. This was a very short and sweet video. Please subscribe my channel and do share it with the network and try to solve as much question as possible. I will provide in a sample to create data frame, and I hope you like it, and do subscribe and share. Thank you.